Welcome to our English learning series. In this video, we'll look at some of the most frequent prepositional mistakes that English learners make. These are small errors, but they can affect clarity and fluency. For instance, do you say accused for or accused of? Or is it afraid from the dog or afraid of the dog? The prepositions of in, at, and to are often misused because their usage in English can differ from other languages. Don't worry, we'll walk you through it all, step by step, and by the end of this session, you'll be confident using the correct forms. Let's dive into some practical examples and fix these common mistakes once and for all. Let's look at 5 common prepositional mistakes. First, we say someone is absorbed in their work, not at their work. Second, we accuse someone of a crime, not for it. Third, the correct phrase is afraid of dogs, not from. Fourth, we aim at a target not on or against it. Lastly, when you're upset with someone, you're angry with them, not against. These small words make a big difference. Continuing with more examples, you arrive at a station or venue, not to it. If you regret something, you're ashamed of it, not from it. When talking about faith or trust, say believe in, as in believe in God. People also often boast of their achievements, not for them. And finally, be careful with money or about your health, but not careful for. Let's keep going. Let's look at more mix-ups you'll often hear. We say travel by train, not with the train. If you're unhappy, you complain about something, not for it. A group is composed of people, never from. When you trust someone, have confidence in them. And when following standards, you conform to rules, not with them. These short words make a big difference. Say congratulate on success, not for success. Something consists of parts, not from parts. A hill is covered with snow, not by it. A person is cured of illness, not from illness. And we are depend on others, not from them. Let's go deeper. People are deprived of freedom, not from. Someone dies of a disease, not from one. Something is different from yours, not than. Disappointment is with or in someone, not from them. And we divide into parts, not in parts. Try this quick quiz. Fill in the correct prepositions. Accused of cheating. Arrived at the airport. Afraid of spiders. Composed of musicians. Different from mine. How many did you get right? Some more quick fixes you'll hear every day. You're dressed in black, not with. That's an exception to the rule, not of. You exchange for, not by. You fail in a subject, not from. And something is full of oil, not with or from oil. Keep improving with these tips. You get rid of things, not from. You're glad about the news, not from it. Be good at sports, not in. You guard against danger, and someone is guilty of theft. Let's keep it going. You're good at math, not in. Guard against bad habits, not from them. Guilty of theft, not for. Be independent of someone, not from. And show no interest by being indifferent to, not for. Getting closer to native-like usage. Here are 5 more daily expressions. Insist on doing something, not to do. Interested in music, not for music. Jealous of someone, not from. We leave for London, not to London. And people live on their income, not from. Choose the right preposition. Time for another quiz. Try these. I looked at the painting. She's married to an engineer. He presided over the event. They're popular with their classmates. I'm proud of my sister. Last batch of preposition fixes. Final set of everyday corrections. Suspect of cheating, not for. Take by the hand, not from. Tie to the kite, not on. Tired of eggs, not from. Translate into English, not to. Final 5, prepositions. These are often misused. Tremble with fear, not from. Warned of danger, not just about. Write in ink, not with. Use without speaking, not to speak. And instead of waiting, not to wait.
Thank you. Prepared by K. Rajendra Prasad.